In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Wix for. We'll walk through setting up your store, adding products, configuring payments, and getting your site live step by step. First, go to wix.com and click Get Started. Create your account by signing up with your email or using Google. When Wix asks what type of site you want, choose Online Store. This tells Wix to prepare the e-commerce features you'll need, like product pages, a cart, and checkout. Next, pick a template designed for e-commerce. Browse until you find a layout that fits your brand, then click Edit to open the site editor. Customize the essentials, upload your logo, set your brand colors, and choose clean, readable fonts. Adjust your homepage to highlight best sellers or collections, and review your product page layout so pricing, images, and the Add to Cart button are easy to find. Keep the design simple and consistent, and always check the mobile view so it looks great on phones. Now add your products. From your site's dashboard, go to Store Products and click New Product. Choose whether it's a physical product, a digital product, or a service. Enter a clear product name and a concise, benefits-focused description. Set your price and upload crisp, well-lit photos from multiple angles. Add your inventory quantity to prevent overselling, and set up variants like size or color when needed. Variants can have their own images, prices, and stock. When you're done, click Save. Repeat for each item you plan to sell. Set up payments so customers can check out securely. Go to Settings, then Accept Payments. Connect the providers you want to offer, like credit and debit cards, PayPal, or local payment options supported in your region. You'll need to upgrade to a business and e-commerce plan to accept payments. Make sure your business details and currency are correct so payouts work smoothly. Configure shipping and taxes. In Settings, open Shipping and Fulfillment. Add your shipping regions, define rates such as flat fee or weight-based, and set delivery methods that fit your products. Then set your tax rules based on your country and where you sell. If available in your region, use automated tax calculation to stay accurate. Connect your domain for a professional address. In Settings, click Domains, then buy a new domain through Wix or connect one you already own. If you connect an existing domain, update your DNS as instructed. It may take up to 48 hours to propagate. When everything looks right, click Publish in the top right. Congratulations, your store is live and ready for sales.